We're starting with advancing a takeout double, right? So this is going to be a Cuebid for the advancer, right? That's the partner of the intervener. And it depends if there's a major suit opener or a minor suit opener. A lot of our Cuebids are going to differentiate, have different meaning based on what the opponent's suit has been, whether it's a major or a minor. So this won't be the first discussion. We'll say, well, if a major is opened, this is what the Cuebid means. If the minor is open, this is what the Cuebid means, okay? And that'll be throughout all of our Cuebids. That's why it's so tricky, because it depends on what the opponent actually bids. So let's look at our first example here, major suit opening bid, all right? And your partner makes a takeout double. So that takeout double is showing 13 plus total points, including short suit points, right? So in theory, North here could have 8 high card points and a void. Okay, it's not 13 high card points, it's 13 total points counting short points, just so we know what that takeout double means. East passes, and we have South's hand here. All right, so let's do some hand evaluation. That's always important to know what we're counting, what we're not counting. We do have a hand where South would like to show a big hand, no suit to bid, right? If South had a fourth spade, they could just bid some number of spades to talk about their hand. But if South has, say, 12 or more points, total points once again, then they will want to use that Cuebid to alert North. Basically, it's saying, North, you've got to take out double. I have 12 or more total points. We want to be in game, or we want to have our opponents doubled. That's what Advancer's Cuebid shows here. And in response to that, North can further describe their hand. The one thing North cannot do is pass South's 2-heart bid. Okay, 2 hearts is definitely a Cuebid of West's hearts. West has shown 5 or more hearts. North has shown shortness in hearts. South does not want to play hearts, okay? It's just forcing. And if you ask them what it means, that's what they're going to say. It's just a forcing bid, shows 12 or more points. From here, it's oftentimes saying, hey, North, do you have a stopper in the heart suit? I don't have spade fit with you. I realize you're showing me 4 spades with your takeout double. I don't have 4 spades. I would have been bidding them. And I'm interested in playing no trump, but I don't have a stopper in hearts, or I would have bid no trump. See all the negative inferences we're getting from here, right? South could have bid spades if they had a 4th spade. South could have been no trump if they had a stopper in hearts. So this 2-heart Cuebid as advancer is acting as a stopper ask, okay? So North's first priority would be to show a heart stopper. Just because North is shown less than 3 cards in the heart suit doesn't mean they might not have ace king doubleton, ace queen doubleton, right? King queen doubleton, some kind of stopper. Just because they're short, they can still have a stopper, and that would be North's first priority. Otherwise, North's going to bid their 4-card suits up the line, okay? So first Cuebid out of the block belongs to Advancer, and it's when the opponents open a major and Advancer Cuebids. It's denying 4 cards of the other major, because that would be your first priority. It's denying a stopper, because otherwise you would have bid no trump, some number of no trump, and it's showing 12 or more points.